What's up, vlog? It's 2026. We're going to the market today. Gonna get some groceries for Five Spice Chicken. It's been a lot going on. I know I haven't posted in a while, so I'm excited to start vlogging again. One of my goals this year is I got a bunch of gear, so I want to make a bunch of videos. I was planning on doing one video a week, see if I can keep that up. And I think as it's getting colder outside, it's been a lot harder to do more things and like filming freely, I guess, or filming more comfortably. I'm gonna be getting outside of my comfort zone. This vlog, we're just gonna go to the market. I'm gonna show you guys what I get, what I like from the market, and then I'll be prepping a dish called Five Spice Chicken that my Discord homie Mal Siu has recommended me. I'm going to prep it tonight, and then tomorrow I'll be live doing a cooking stream, cooking the chicken. Yeah, so that's gonna be really exciting. I can't wait to cook that. We're gonna go to Mom's Organic Market. It's one of my favorite markets in the city. I'm super hype, and we'll come back here, do a little haul. Let's get on the road. Let's get to the market. It's a little warm outside, like 50 degrees or something like that. Come on with me. I'm excited to bring you along. It's 2026. I'm making a pit stop at Trader Joe's on my way back because they didn't have scallions at Mom's. My buddy told me that we need scallions for the marinade. So going to Trader Joe's, let's see if they got scallions. And you know what? We're gonna pick up some snacks too, why not? Alrighty, so I made it back from the grocery store. Multiple grocery stores. Trader Joe's was stop number 2. Mom's Organic Market was stop number 1. And I got a lot of stuff in there. First, I'll start with the Trader Joe's since that was easier. I got green onions. They didn't have these at Mom's, so I had to get them at Trader Joe's. Hopefully they're good. What could go wrong? It's green onions. Classic. Every time I go to Trader Joe's, I gotta get a ginger shot. I got these jerk style plantain chips. These go astronomically hard. I'm not even kidding. Plantain chips, don't sleep on them. They're so good. I just saw Trader Joe's recently started carrying these coconut waters. It's just one ingredient, coconut water, super simple, and it's refreshing. Some people aren't into it. I'm a big fan. All right, so that's the Trader Joe's haul. The big bag right here is the big bag. We got ginger, key ingredient. Garlic, can't see it, but a portobello mushroom. Massive portobello mushroom. You guys got to see that portobello mushroom. I'll show you in a sec. It's just some parsley, no big deal. Simple ingredient, real cereal, cornflakes, 2 ingredients, organic corn grits, and sea salt. Doesn't get much better than that. And those also taste amazing. I used to be a huge cereal guy when I was little, like massive cereal guy, and started dying down since most cereals are just straight sugars and it's bad for you. This one, it's simple. It reminds me of being a kid. Tastes good, and it's something filling, you know, if you need a little snack or something to fill you through the day. Massive thing of baby arugula. Huge. White mushrooms. Got some jasmine rice. This is that 5 spice powder. I've never used it before. It's cinnamon, fennel, clove, star anise, and white pepper. And of course, you can't have 5 spice chicken without chicken. So we got chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I was told I only need a pound for this recipe. So one of these is a pound, one of these is like 0.9 pounds. I'm definitely gonna save one for another time because you can never go wrong making chicken. That is everything. Now I just want to pull out this portobello mushroom because this thing blew my mind. I've never seen a portobello mushroom like this big. You know portobello mushrooms are big, but this guy, have you seen a portobello mushroom this big? Be honest with me. Be honest. This thing is massive. Humongoid. I'm excited. You know I love food, and nothing's better than cooking your own. So thanks for watching, and I will see you. Peace out. Okay, so it's the next day, and I am about to start up my Twitch stream and go live, do the cooking stream. So I got the 5-spice chicken marinating in the fridge right now. About to take it out, need to do some more prep. Let's cook this, let's go. Here's the marinade. That's what it's looking like. Got the homies. Okay, I think that's enough. That should be enough. That's way more than enough. Okay, I think that's hot enough to start putting the coconut oil in. And this is some more juices that I'm going to be deglazing the pan with. And then throwing mushrooms on. And the scallions and cilantro are going to be a garnish. It smells amazing. It smells so good. Alright, I'm doing a little flip ski on this. I might do a little rotation of these guys. That one's going over there, this one's going over here, and we'll switch these around. I already know cooking the mushrooms in these is gonna be so good. Like, the mushrooms are gonna be amazing in this. Look at all those juices. Deglaze. There's so much sauce and juice on these things. Well, I did not make that look pretty, but that looks good. Cut this one up real quick. I like these nice long pieces. Alright, you know I gotta take a bite of this. Alright, I'm going in to try the chicken piece. Mmm. Wow. That's really good. I put in so many mushrooms you can't even see the chicken. Mmm. What did the Akiway guys say? Can't forget the bev. Never, ever, ever. I got the glass. I got the kombucha. Pink Lady Apple, the last one of my 4-pack. Let's go. I love this shit. Cheers, chat. To a successful dinner. All thanks to Mouse U's recipe and my dedication. And thank you guys for sticking along because it was a treacherous journey. But you know what? We came out on top. I got the kombucha. I got the dinner. It's all happening. Yeah, this is my new favorite kombucha brand. So good. The dragon fruit one you have? I think I tried that one. I really like the OG ginger one. And then there's the blueberry one too. Or yeah, the blueberry lemonade, I think that's what it is. That one's really good. Wow. The spoils of my labor. The arugula really adds a nice crunch in there. This is what we live for. Good food. Good company. Oh my god, man. I forgot to put the garnish on there. I have all this cilantro and I have all this here. This was, ah, man. I really messed up. I'm gonna throw it on the leftovers. Don't put soap on your cast iron. Don't do it. Don't even think about it. Yeah, but the beauty of the cast iron, it's like there was nothing in there to begin with. It's amazing. It's amazing. Alright, so I just finished editing the video. I appreciate you for watching. I know I'm a little late to posting this one, but I'm excited. I'm going to post another one soon. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I haven't really planned it through, but if you know me at all, you know I like to wing things. So I'm going to wing this upcoming cooking stream tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Please like if you made it to the video and subscribe. Hit the button. Boom, subscribe. But either way, I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, y'all.